Welcome to my home. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a home tour of my entryway, my living room, and my dining room. I hope you get inspired like me to decorate this fall season in a stress-free way. I kept this area simple, mainly reusing items that are there all year round, like the table, the lamp, the vase, it's all the same. And the mirror, of course. What I changed was the florals, and this year I used dry stems. What I love about dry stems is that they add a special texture to your arrangement. And the best part is that you don't have to worry about watering them or changing them because they're dry. So they're perfect for busy moms and those who do not have the time to be watering plants all the time. I also love how I incorporated art here. This little gallery wall fills the space perfectly, and it's something that anyone can do with any mix of art that you have or that you can find in stores like Home Goods. I even have a video showing how you can download free art from museum collections, and this piece came right from that. So definitely check that video out. This is our formal living room, but we actually use it all the time. So it's not so formal. As you step into the house, this is the first room that you see. And although it's decorated in a very modern Parisian style, it also feels inviting to come in. Before we had our daughter, I spent a lot of quiet mornings here, moments of prayer and meditation and setting good intentions. So this room is very special to me. Actually planning to do a full video showing you what a great transformation this room has gone through, so stay tuned for that. A lot of the pieces in this room are actually thrifted, including the mirror, the fireplace mantle, the bookcases. So like the big furniture pieces and the smaller decor items are also thrifted. The way I've set this room all year round makes it so easy to decorate for fall. I actually just added a few pumpkins and a candle, and that's all it needed. The furniture, the lighting, the decor choices make it such a great space to gather. This artwork right here, I actually painted it myself. And what a better way to display your own art than on an easel. It's my very first oil painting and it means a lot to me. It's actually a flamboyant tree from the Dominican Republic where I was born. So it always sparks conversation when guests come over. In the dining room, I wanted to keep it simple again. That's the theme for this year, being a new mom. I don't really have time to spend decorating and going to the stores and shopping for now. So I kept it very simple, but I still wanted to create a space that still felt inviting with fall gatherings coming up and the holidays coming up. Let's start with the table. I reuse my neutral linen runner, and the base of the setup is actually just made up of small vases that were left over from my baby shower, along with candle holders that I already had. Again, keeping that theme of reusing items from previous years. And these are items that actually you can use for any season because they're like the base of setting up a table. I added some dry florals again for texture and movement, and a few battery operated candles. I'm honestly amazed on how realistic these look. They even feel like real wax, and the remote makes it so easy to turn all of them on and off at once. It is the perfect alternative to real candles, which, let's be honest, they rarely get lit anyway, so this is a great alternative. I love that I can keep this setup all season long as we welcome family and friends. I'll even keep the same tablescape for Thanksgiving. These pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby. I picked them up a few years ago at the end of the season, and I've used them every year since. It's such a good reminder that decorating beautifully doesn't mean buying new things every season. When you buy intentionally, you can enjoy the holidays year after year without needing a big budget, just a few pieces that last a long time. On our cadenza, the only new thing that I added were these Japanese maple florals. We actually have a Japanese maple right outside of this room, and last year I used real stems from it, which is another thing you can do. You can just go outside and get some branches and put it in your vase as the seasons and the leaves are changing. I think is a great alternative as well, and you will save money. It's budget friendly. I love the connection between the indoors and outdoors, and honestly, I might keep these for Christmas too because why not? I think the beauty of decorating this way is that it doesn't have to be elaborate to feel warm and inviting. I hope this video inspire you to embrace the simplicity of the season, to decorate with intention and create a home that feels cozy and lived in, but not perfect. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. My name is JC and I love interior design and home decor. And this channel is specifically for the busy mom, the people who get easily overwhelmed in their home and they want their space to feel safe, welcoming, and peaceful. So if you want more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos as well. Thank you so much. Give this video a like and comment down below and let me know, are you overwhelmed by the holidays? Are you feeling excited? Do you love the fall? Do you not even bother decorating for fall and skip to Christmas? Well, let me know down below. I would love to chat, and you can also find me on my other social media as Jamie and Co. I'm only a DM or comment away. Thank you so much and happy fall.